हेलो दोस्तों, imagine starting your day feeling tired, low on energy and not fully ready to take on the day. Many of us reach for tea or coffee for a quick boost, but what if there was a simple, natural drink that could help energize your body from within? Today we are talking about a powerful natural superfood, beetroot powder. Beetroot is often called a natural blood booster because it is rich in essential nutrients like iron, potassium, folate, and natural nitrates. These nutrients help support overall health and vitality. Let's quickly understand why beetroot powder is gaining so much popularity. First, it helps improve energy and stamina. Beetroot contains natural nitrates that convert into nitric oxide in the body. This helps improve blood circulation, allowing more oxygen to reach your muscles, which can reduce fatigue and improve endurance. Second, it supports blood health. Beetroot contains iron and folate, which are important for maintaining healthy hemoglobin levels and reducing feelings of weakness. Third, it supports heart health. By improving blood flow, beetroot may help maintain healthy blood pressure levels and support cardiovascular function. Fourth, it provides antioxidant support. Beetroot is rich in antioxidants that help protect the body from oxidative stress and support overall immunity and skin health. Now the big question, how do you take beetroot powder in the best way? Here's a simple and effective method to turn it into a natural energy drink. Take 1 glass of normal or lukewarm water. Add 1 teaspoon of beetroot powder and mix it well. Now, squeeze half a lemon into it. Lemon adds vitamin C, which enhances nutrient absorption and gives a refreshing taste. For better taste and added benefits, you can also add 1 teaspoon of honey. Your natural beetroot energy booster drink is ready. You can consume this drink in the morning on an empty stomach or about 30 minutes before a workout for better energy and stamina. But remember, moderation is important. Generally, 1 to 2 teaspoons of beetroot powder per day is sufficient. So if you're looking for a simple and natural way to boost your daily energy and support your health, beetroot powder can be a great addition to your routine. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay connected for more natural health tips. Thank you for watching. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. It is not a substitute for professional medical consultation, diagnosis, or treatment.